Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This was our last video in which instead of find I have misspelled that word as find index. Do correct that. If you have watched my previous video, you will get that. Before we start with the today's lecture, let us just summarize our previous video in which we have learnt about find and find index. The first one we saw was the find. That method returns the value of first element in an array, which passes the test. And the next we have learnt about the find index. It helps us to find the index of the first element. This was what we have learnt in our last video. Today we are going to learn about the filter method. For this, I already have a variable called ages inside which we have some different values. Inside this value, if I want to search something on the condition basis, like suppose the value inside this array should be more than 18 or equal to 18. In such cases, we have to use a method called filter method, which will help us to create a new array with the required condition or the provided condition. For this, we have to create a function called filter. In this filter, we have to pass a parameter. You have seen in our previous video, we have already seen how to create a function, and inside that function we pass a condition. If that value passes the condition, we simply get a new array. Let me do it practically so that it will be easy for you to understand. You can see here I have a variable called ages. First I'll print this. You can see here we got a ages. For this, to add filter, we have to write where b equals to ages dot. Now we have to add that function. We have to add that method called filter. Inside this, I'll write check adult. I'll simply print this. You can see here again we didn't get anything. Now we have to create this check adult function. For this, I'll simply write function. I'll name that function as check adult, inside which I'll pass the age. Just wait. Now we have to return this. If age is greater than equal to 18. Here instead of ages I have to write age. See, here we got 19 and 20. Both are greater than 18. This method simply helps us to create a different array filled with all the array elements that passes our test. So this both 19 and 20 passes this condition which we have written where age is greater than equal to 18. So we got this 19 and 20. This is how this filter method works. In our next video, we'll learn about how to change an array into a string. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.